Hey guys, and hello students and families. This video is just to kind of let you know what to expect on Monday for your distance learning and what you can do to be prepared for Monday and then the rest of the week. The basics is just going to be like a tutorial on how to get certain places within Schoology and how to log into what you need to be ready to go. So we want to make this easy on you guys. So that's why we're doing this. Just like I just said, everything that you need is going to be on Schoology for fifth grade. So Schoology, you all should know how to get into it. There's a tab usually over here for you guys, but right here is Schoology for me. You might see this screen when you log into Schoology. Just click on your username that you use, and you should be automatically signed in. So this is my Schoology page. It looks pretty close. It'll be pretty close to yours. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on courses. That's where you can find everything. And then all of your courses will pop up here. So on Monday, what you're going to want to do is probably try to check in with your home-based teacher first. So your home-based teacher, you'd click on home base. They might have some information right here for you to look at. For my home base, you would click on home base directions, and then they would have that. So what I'm going to show you next is your first class and some basic information that you will need in order to be successful right away on Monday. So what you're going to want to do after you check in with your home base teacher is you're going to want to click on your block 1 class. And that would be, for me, it would be math. For some of you, it might be language arts. So math would be my block 1. And then here's a whole lot of information for mine. So first one I'm going to show you is just some basic distance learning information. So the student weekly schedule looks like this. So Mondays for math, and then for language arts, you would have live, Tuesdays not live, Wednesdays live, Thursdays not live, and Friday we have win time. This will be sent to you. It's also online and on all of your teachers' Schoology pages for you to look at. Another important piece of information is just your class schedule. It's a little different than you would if you were on your regular class schedule. And I forgot to change some of these things, but when you see synchronous, that's just live. So 8:20 to 8:40 would be your home base, and then 8:40 to 9:55 would be math or language arts. And you would be live every Monday and Wednesday in math and language arts, and then live with your teacher every Tuesday and Thursday in social studies and science. So I'll change these just so it says live and not live, so it's easier for you to read. So that would be your class schedule. Every teacher has a little different office hour. And then also always email your teachers, contact them, write to them, because they'll answer any questions that you have. Another piece of information that you have would be maybe some class expectations. Every teacher is going to be a little different with some of these things, but I suggest this weekend or today, I would look through each of your teachers' pages, get to know what's going on, and checking all of those things. Now, everything will be explained to you on Monday on how to get into your other classes or what the expectations are. But I'm going to show you the basic of being ready for Monday for your very first class with your teachers. Like I said, you could always check. You should probably try to check in with your home-based teacher on Monday. But when you are looking at your first class, so that would be like block 1 language arts or block 1 math, what you need to do is you need to click on the course, and then you're going to be live that very first day, which is Monday. So if you are me or other teachers, they might have a Monday folder, so you can always click on it and you can look at the directions for today on what you are going to be expecting. So for me, this is what you would see. For other teachers, you would probably see maybe something very similar, a little different. But since we are live, you're going to be doing a Schoology conference, which is a live conference with your teacher where they'll be teaching you live instead of not live like some other days. So what you would do is you would go to conferences here at the bottom of your, or on the side of your screen. Click on it. Now I'm going to create a conference. So then your screen would look like this. So I'm just going to name it Monday Live. So what you would do is you would then click on Start Conference. And then this would pop up, which is something that looks like this. Then you could click on microphone, which you're going to allow it to use your microphone. It's going to have an echo test for you, which takes a little bit of time just so you know that if you could hear it. And I do hear it. So I'm going to click yes. Then you're also going to turn on your webcam if your teacher wants you to. Usually during the lesson, you're going to probably leave both of those off. And then if you have any questions at the end, you can talk to your teacher about those things. So in this, you would listen to your teacher, you would answer questions. If you want to do chat, you can do chat. So all of those things to help make this a successful time. So that's what you will do on Monday right away with your teachers. You'll go on those things. And then your teacher will talk with your expectations and talk you through all of what they expect you to do for those types of things. I suggest that you, again, when you log into Schoology and you look through your courses and kind of go through what the expectations are for each one, what your teachers want you to do. But the real big thing is that on Monday, your very first block 1 class, you'll be conferencing with your teacher, and then they'll help you through a lot of those other things. The big thing is you should, again, look through the daily schedule, print them off maybe, so you know what to expect. And then every day is going to be a little different with what your teacher wants you to do. So you need to be very aware of which folder to click on and which part of your classes that you need to accomplish. The big thing is that we are taking attendance for every class, and you need to be turning your things in by 8 a.m. the next day, so that you will be counted present for attendance. If you have any questions or any concerns, please email me, contact your other teachers, because I'm making this video for them too, so it's a little easier. So if you need anything like that, with this video, it's going to be emailed out, and also that you will be receiving the schedule and all that information. So, all right, I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you later.